What's up, guys? My name's Cam. You're watching Sarai Garage, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the cabin air filter in your 2020 and newer Mercedes Benz CLA. Let's get started. Okay, so honestly, this is a very simple maintenance item. Just go ahead and open up the front passenger door. You're going to want to lean or push the chair back as far back as possible. There's not a lot of room. And your cabin air filter, it's going to be a little hard to show, but your cabin air filter is right here in the very back of the footwell, okay? And holding it up are just two clips that you want to pinch on the front and back. You just pinch it like that and it comes down. And there's another clip right here. You just pinch it and it comes down, okay? And there you have it. And then here is your air filter, okay? It's really crammed up in there. Okay, but that's it. This is what the air filter looks like. Sometimes, you know, they have directional arrows. And this one does. You can see it right there. So when I pulled it out, the directional arrow was pointing down. So that's how the dealership had it. There's your part number right there. You can type that into Google and get this for wholesale price. You just search up the part number, and that's that. So make sure your airflow is going down. It even says driving direction on the side. And then you can just put it back in. Okay, sorry, it's too small a space to show one-handed, but once you have it put back in, you just push this all the way up, okay? And you just re-engage those clips. All right, well, guys, there you have it. Very tight fit, but super easy. Will take you 2 minutes and save you a ton of money. Don't let the dealership rip you off on that maintenance item. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was helpful for you guys, help me out by dropping a thumbs up down below. And if you like the content I have going on this channel, please consider subscribing. That's all I have for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.